Welcome to your friend of me Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. Unfortunately, we have now installed by default the AD feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search bar enter Muviz. Okay, sorry, I just forgot to activate Wi-Fi. Now let's wait a second while our device will connect to the network. So let's just go back here to the search bar and let's enter the Muviz Edge app. And now we should get this application, so that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, we should open the app here and tap to draw our apps. After that, here let's find the Muviz Edge into this list and just tap once on the switcher. After that, let's go back to the application and tap here to AD and select one from the available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Then just tap here to apply, and now let's just check. Press twice on the power key button, and now we can see that Always On Display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.